Sendela nani, my brother. Look.
Nenqunu.
Yazi
lesithombe angaze ngisithole bafa empilweni yami. Lokho ngamazi. Angaze ngisithole lesithombe. Lo muntu mayeze endlini ungena acima ugesi.
Can you
Fusa le phone yami. Le phone yami.
Aw. My sister, manje, you don't want with our phone. Can you bring us our shoes?
Fusa
bring us our shoes. Angisho wena you're cheating. My sister, she's gonna take them hard. Me, I'm not gonna. Let them take it. Take it there, my brother. Because Angisho, I ask her. Now it's gonna be like, yeah, bo. What do you want, my brother?
Let's just come up. Let's wait.
Yeah, my brother. Don't my sister. Let him take his things nicely. Because manje, awe.
Ngiyabonga.
Awe.
Wena fuseka uzobona futhi uthi uyafuseka. Fuseka.
Awusibone.
Pheka amalava nganganani mfethu.
Bafa lokhu ngazalo lokhu ngaqala ukuthi ukwazana na angaze ngithole lento le mina. Olapha bangaka angazi. Uhleze etheni lento le imenza gule. Ayibone ngathi uyisoyolo. Kanti ngemuva wenza nje wenza lento ubani uBanibhelo ubani Banibhelo.
Hlala phansi my brother.
Cha mana lento ukuthi iyangicasula bafa.
Pheka boy.
Iyangicika.
Unophethe Banibhelo. Banime.
Man ubalo. Khuluma nokwani.
Uzobanibe my sister.
Hey khuluma, musulokhu utatazela la.
Umngani wami.
Fuse umngane wakhona. Liyoqamba manga.
Awufuse my sister.
Khuluma qiniso.
Ngeke umshaya ngisho my brother.
Bafa, ngeke ngithi ngeke ngimshaya. Yabona okwamanje ngikwatile.
My man phela mamshaya.
Wazohlala phansi.
Wawudu ushaya woman.
Hlala phansi. Ubani ke lo? Chaza.
Ubanibe.
Ubani Banibhelo? Khuluma, hawu, akuthi akazi ukukhuluma.
Hawu, sibonelo.
Hey, ngalokho xa usibonelo la. Ubalo.
So umuntu is old. Did you see that is old? Phela wena my man, did you check his pictures? Phela this is not a boy. This is indoor.
Ngihamba ibhedlela inyanga ithi ngiyagula ngenxa yakho. Uhambulana nabantu abadala. Ubalo.
Ubaba lo.
Uyabo bafa ukuthi ebeqamba manga ukuthi uthanda kungenantshebe. Buka lo muntu unentshebe.
Ungakanani uma ngingi.
Mdala lo muntu lona.
Phela musungithethisa.
Hey fuck off ungathi ngiyasithethisa.
Phela nawe.
Ngobani?
Suze ngathi right la.
Vele ngiright man.
Ngani? Uzenze ngathi right.
Ngathi ngihlala ubuqeda kusho phutha. Awuzwanga esho la ekhuluma ethi.
Brother, your styles didn't work, ne? Yo inyanga zakho asebenzanga ngoba uyacheata manje. So how long have you been cheating with Banibhelo?
Ubani Bani?
6 months.
Man, 6 months one?
No, my brother. How come it's 6 months but these people been like
bafabuka bafayela no hearty bashuthi ithombe bendawonye.
Let me show you this. I want to show you the first picture. It can't be this 6 months. Ugale. This is 2023. And I want from when? 2023 okay. January. How then? Yo, my sister. So you have been dating him for 5 years and dating Banibhelo for how many years? Be honest, my sister.
6 months.
6 months.
6 months. Here, 2023 la.
Here is written 2023. Mus. We can see that this person you were talking with.
Hlala phansi usumeleni ngenyawo hlala phansi.
Ngobani?
Hlala phansi.
What are you gonna do with him, my brother?
Akahlale phansi ngizomtshengisa. Hlala phansi.
Ngeke umshaya ngisho.
Ngeke ngimshaya. Hlala phansi.
My sister, you are cheating already, so uyafeva.
Into engiyanisa kakhulu ufika uthi kubhuti ngibukeka ngimuhle ngiright ngenantshebe. Manje ushutha nabantu abanentshebe. Umbiza ngoBanibhelo. Yini khona lokho? Yeah, khuluma. Hawu.
Hawu manje uthethelana.
Ayifuse kungathi ngithethelana la mina. Yes, fuck off man. Hlala phansi la. Hlala phansi.
What do you want? Can we check the phone and finish before you take them? Okay. My sister, those are his shoes. In peace, ne? For a minute. We still checking your phone. And you should phone starting in kindness. Sebat shy. Sakela was changing a piece. Hey, my man. Beg over sendela nani, my brother. Look.
Nenqunu. Yazi lesithombe angaze ngisithole bafa empilweni yami. Lokho ngamazi. Angaze ngisithole lesithombe. Lo muntu mayeze endlini ungena acima ugesi.
can you please give him his things? He feels.
She belongs to the streets.
Qhatha shame.
Hey fuck off yeka abantu abaqhatha bafu
My brother, my
uyindoda
will shout out, my brother. Shout out, my
yabona
brother.
bengeke ngibone bengeke
You will
ngibone
never find
bengeke
out.
ngibone khumule icatho zami
Manje, you have to stop wasting time kule inyanga. Sibekele le setting. Focus.
Bekalela mina.
hey fuck off
I am
fuck
my
off
sister. We don't have your
Fuck off.
time.
Fusak,
Simelane.
man.
Let
Khumula,
him
hawu.
umtshita wami lapha. Let her le phone.
Fusak le phone yami
Let her
let
le phone.
let phone yami
Aw. My sister, manje, you don't want with our phone. Can you bring us our shoes?
Fusak khumula
Bring us our shoes. Angisho wena you're cheating. My sister, she's gonna take them hard. Me, I'm not gonna.
Hawu sibonile.
Let them take it. Take it there, my brother. Because Angisho, I ask her. Now it's gonna be like,
Hawu
yebo. Nsizwa hiyo
thatha le
le.
qathulo zakho.
let
What do you want, my brother?
let's just come up let you yabona
My brother. Don't ungamshayi, please. Ungamshayi.
let
Ungamshayi, my
let-
brother. My
let-
sister, let him take his things nicely. Because
Futhi.
manje, awe,
Ngiyabonga,
nsizwa nami.
ngiyabonga.
Awe.
wena Fusak uzobona futhi uthi Fusak
Awusamfuni.
Fusak
Hawu sibonile.
Hayi, my sister, akusakufuni. Me, let me wear my spectacles. I don't want to see cheaters with my 4 eyes.
Sibonile.